make thousands of dollars every single day using this new technology. And that's exactly what we're going to be talking about in today's video. So make sure to pay close attention because I'm only going to say this once. We're going over how to make $1,000 a day using AI. Now, this might sound like a get-rich-quick scheme, but it's actually a lot easier than you think. And best of all, you don't need any experience or technical skills at all to get started. In fact, anyone can do this. Yes, needs a little bit of motivation and a willingness to learn something new. That SYI want you to watch this video until the very end. So you wouldn't miss out on anything. In today's economy, it can be tough to make ends meet, especially if you have bills to pay and people depending on you. But what if there was a way to make passive income without having to trade your time for money? Imagine being able to work on your own schedule and still earn a steady income even while you sleep. It might sound too good to be true, but it's actually possible. And with the rise of artificial intelligence, it's easier than ever before. The truth is that AI has made it possible for anyone to become an entrepreneur and start earning passive income from anywhere in the world. If you're looking to take control of your financial future, then keep watching. I'll show you how to take advantage of this new technology and start seeing results in no time. So let's dive in and see how you can use AI to start making money today. Most side hustles require some level of skill or experience. However, with AI side hustles, you can start earning money right away, regardless of your background. The best part is that these side hustles can be done entirely online, meaning you can work from anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a student, or someone who just wants to make some extra cash on the side, AI side hustles are a great option. If you've been thinking about starting a side hustle, but have been feeling overwhelmed by all the options out there, then look no further. There are many different ways to use AI to make money, and we'll be sharing some of the most profitable ones in this video. For example, one way to make money with AI is by offering AI-powered services to businesses such as chatbots, virtual assistants, and content creation. With the help of AI, you can provide businesses with high-quality services that can save them time and money. This can be a great option for those who have experience in customer service or administrative work. Another way to make money with AI is to create and sell AI-based products. This could include anything from AI-powered software to AI-generated art. If you're a creative type and have an eye for design, this could be a great option for you. Additionally, AI-based product creation doesn't require a large investment, meaning you can get started with very little upfront cost. Finally, a third way to make money with AI is through affiliate marketing. By promoting AI-based products or services to a wider audience, you can earn commissions on any sales you generate. This can be a great option for those who already have an established social media presence or a large email list. With the right promotion, you can reach a wider audience and make more money than ever before. With AI side hustles, you can choose the hours you work and the projects you take on, giving you the flexibility to pursue your own interests and goals. So if you're ready to take advantage of the latest technological advancements and start making money with AI, keep watching to discover the top AI side hustles that you can start today. While some people may argue that AI will eventually replace humans, it's important to remember that AI is still a tool that can be used to enhance our abilities and make our lives easier. Instead of fearing AI, we should embrace it and find ways to use it to our advantage. As an entrepreneur and business coach, I believe that AI is the future, and those who embrace it early will be the ones who thrive. The tools we use on a daily basis were unimaginable just a few years ago. Today, anyone can launch a successful online business with just a few clicks of a button. It's never been easier to connect with people from all over the world, share ideas, and build relationships. These advancements have allowed us to break free from the limitations of traditional work and create a life on our own terms. The opportunities for success are endless, and it's up to each individual to decide how they want to shape their future. While some may choose to stick with the familiar and comfortable, others will dare to venture into the unknown and embrace the possibilities that AI offers. It's important to recognize that change can be scary, but it's also necessary for growth. Those who are willing to adapt and evolve will be the ones who come out ahead. Now that we've discussed the benefits of AI side hustles, it's time to dive into some specific ways you can start making money today. Here are 5 passive income ideas that utilize the power of AI to generate revenue even while you sleep. No! 1. AI-powered content creation. Create content such as blog posts, social media posts, or video scripts using AI writing tools. You can then sell these services to businesses or individuals looking to outsource their content creation needs. No. 2. AI-driven social media marketing. Use AI-powered tools to automate social media tasks such as scheduling posts, analyzing engagement, and running targeted ad campaigns. You can offer these services to businesses looking to grow their social media presence and reach new customers. No! 3. AI-based chat support. Provide chat support to businesses or individuals using AI. This can be a great way to provide quick and efficient support to customers while freeing up time for businesses to focus on other areas of their operations. Number 4. AI-generated art and design. Use AI-powered tools to create unique art and designs that you can sell to businesses or individuals. This can include anything from logos and branding materials to digital art and illustrations. No. 5. AI-powered language translation. Offer language translation services to businesses or individuals using AI-powered translation tools. This can be particularly useful for businesses looking to expand their reach to international markets. These are just a few examples of the many ways that you can use AI to generate passive income. With the rise of AI technology, the possibilities for making money online have never been greater. One of the most significant advantages of using AI to generate passive income is that it allows individuals to monetize their skills and expertise in new and innovative ways. For example, content creators can leverage AI-powered tools to automate the process of creating engaging content, allowing them to reach a wider audience and generate more revenue. Similarly, social media marketers can use AI to automate tasks such as scheduling posts and analyzing engagement, freeing up time to focus on more strategic initiatives. By embracing AI, individuals can unlock new revenue streams and take their businesses to the next level. Additionally, the use of AI to generate passive income can help bridge the gap between the rich and the poor by providing individuals with a new way to earn money, regardless of their background or education level. AI-powered tools are accessible to anyone with an internet connection, meaning that anyone can take advantage of the opportunities presented by the AI economy. Overall, the rise of AI technology has opened up a world of possibilities for individuals looking to generate passive income. By embracing AI and learning how to use it to their advantage, anyone can start earning money today and build a brighter financial future. Don't let the fear of AI hold you back. Instead, let us embrace the opportunities that AI presents and work towards creating a better future for ourselves and our families. As we come to the end of this video, I want to leave you with a challenge. Don't wait for AI to pass you by. Start today and take advantage of the opportunities that are all around you. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll be able to achieve your financial goals. So don't be afraid to take risks, explore new opportunities, and embrace the power of AI. Remember, AI is the new gold rush. Are you ready to strike it rich?